Dear friend Rima, I hope this letter finds you in good health and high spirits. I hope your family also have good health. I want to share with how I spent my summer vacation this year. It was a wonderful break filled with exciting adventures and memorable experiences. During summer holidays, I stayed in Sambalpur, where I live. First, I explored many tourist places in Sambalpur. I visited the famous Hirakud Dam, which is the longest earthen dam of the world. The view from the top was breathtaking. After that I visited Masamalswari temple with my family. The temple dedicated to goddess Samalswari, it is a significant spiritual site. The serene atmosphere and intricate architecture left me in awe. It was truly divine experience, and I felt deep sense of peace and spirituality there. After exploring Sambalpur, I had the opportunity to visit the Jagannath Temple Puri. It was one of the highlights of my vacation. The temple grandeur and the spiritual atmosphere left me awestruck, and I was deeply moved by the devotion of the pilgrims. Following our temple visit, we enjoyed a lovely time at the Puri Sea Beach. The ocean waves, the cool breeze, and the golden sands provided the perfect setting for relaxation and fun. We played in the water and built sand castles, which was so much fun. After spending some time in Sambalpur and Puri, I went to my uncle's house in Kendrapada, which is my mother's father's home. I played a lot with my cousin brother, and we swam in the river near my uncle's house, which was refreshing and thrilling. And it felt so good to swim in the natural surroundings. In Kendrapada, we also visited some tourist place spots like Pittarkanaka National Park and Baladevja Temple with my uncle's family. The national park is amazing, with its rich wildlife and beautiful scenery. The Baladevja Temple is also known as Tulsi Ketra of Odisha. Baladevja is the main divinity. His siblings Jagannath and Subhadra are also worshipped in the temple. One of the highlights of my stay in Kendrapada was celebrating Raja Sankranti at my uncle's home. It was a festive and joyful occasion especially for girls. I joined some girls from my uncle's neighborhood playing with the Raja Doli, Puchi and many others. We had a lot of fun together in 3 days. It was a unique experience, and I enjoyed every moment of it. At my uncle's home, I also got taste many delicious dishes made by my aunt and grandmother. Their cooking is simply amazing, and savored every meal. From traditional odia dishes to sweet delicious, everything was mouth-watering. After Raja Sankranti, I returned home to Sambalpur with my uncle. The journey back was filled with wonderful memories of the time spent with family, relatives, and friends. Overall, this summer vacation was a blend of spiritual, adventurous, and familial experiences. I had an amazing time, and I wish you could have been there to share these moments with me. Looking forward to hearing about your summer vacation as well. Take care and write back soon. Regards. Kuzi.